In this video, I will teach you how to create custom funnel reports in HubSpot. To do that, first head over right here into your HubSpot and then click on reporting right here and click on reports. Once you have done that, this should be able to show you the option to create a report. So onto this case, click on create and click onto this create report option. Now in here, you can just select some templates to choose from. As you have noticed, we have in here this funnel report, so click onto this. Then after that, click on next. Then from in there, this should be able to open the builder for the actual report itself. Choose right here your primary data source as well as the first stage event. On this case, let's choose opportunity and click on this next. So this will actually create a report depending on the panel of your actual option. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to sign up using our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.